Courtney with Stahls TV.
And I'm Andrea with ZSK Machines. In this project, we are going to be utilizing heat transfer material along with the standard applique. What's nice about this design is that it is a multi-layer project, and Courtney's going to start us off.
To start off, we're going to apply our heat transfer design for the background. I'll load my garment onto the bottom platen, preheat to remove some of the moisture and wrinkles in the sweatshirt, and then I can apply my heat transfer background. For this heat transfer, I chose to use a CAD cut heat transfer vinyl called CAD cut fashion film. You could also utilize a screen printed transfer for this process as well. Slide this down just a little bit so we have room for our applique design, and then heat apply for the recommended application. Once our application is complete, we can go ahead and peel back the carrier, and our heat transfer background is down. So now we can go ahead and take this over to the embroidery machine and add the dimension by adding some applique.
For the second layer of this project, we are going to the embroidery machine. And with the embroidery machine, you can see that we do have our design already hooped up, and it's very important that we do make sure that things are aligned properly. So utilizing your design worksheet, make sure you have everything in place, and then we can start the embroidery. After the placement stitch is created, I can now take my applique material, which is a twill, and adhere it to the fabric. I'll move my pantograph out. That way I don't have to put my hands underneath the needles of the machine to get to the fabric. We have sprayed the material again, and we'll go ahead and place it directly on that placement stitch. So after I've placed it, I can now move the pantograph back to the appropriate position. And continue with my cover stitch. So after the machine has finished the cover stitching, I'll now hand it off to Courtney to finish the project.
Now that we've created the mixed media design, the final step is just going to be to load the applique design onto my heat press utilizing the heat printing pillow to heat apply the applique to reduce any puckering in the design. This will create a pristine premium finish. Remove the cover sheet and we have a completed design. Using the process that you've seen in this video, you can get creative with heat transfers and embroidery and create unique designs like this with mixed media. I'm Courtney with Stahls TV.
And I'm Andrea with ZSK Machines. Thanks for watching.